guys, we are in Montego Bay. It's been a minute since I've been to Montego Bay. Big up my Bay people them. If you're from Montego Bay or the surrounding areas, drop a comment down below, like
paradise, bro.
All those good things. Content from my phone, but we're back on the vlog camera. You guys just saw the South Africa content, but now we're in Montego Bay. This is my first layover ever in Montego Bay. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. These are my crew members, and they actually want to be in the vlog. You guys know like the usuals, Bianca, Tess, several other people, but it's always so nice when the crew wants to be a part of the vlog, so stay tuned to see more of them.
We're here. Montego Bay.
It's hot. We're melting.
Take my uniform off.
12:40. Leave your bag over there. 11:37 pickup. Leave your bag over there. Okay. Over here. Okay.
Welcome to S Hotel Montego Bay.
Oh my
God. Hope you guys enjoy your stay with us.
Guys, bun and cheese sandwich, and another dessert. I don't have the name right now. We're gonna do a quick taste test. So just to let you know, we're waiting on our room. So as soon as I get up there, you know you guys are gonna get a room tour. If you want to check out my journey here from New York to Miami to Montego Bay, then check out my TikTok. It will be linked down below. If you can't click on the link, just search Bicana Brown. Try the bun and cheese. We're gonna try the cheese sandwich. And we're gonna try the dessert. Take one bite of each. More on the
What did you guys get?
the other bun.
Fresh?
It's very fresh.
What did you guys get?
Bun and cheese.
I like
cheese sandwich.
The cheese sandwich slaps.
And it.
I love key lime pie.
Girl, my hungry way.
Oh,
We got gym, you know? When you got gym.
alright, let's take a bite of this. Rumble.
I love key lime pie.
So that's my line. So
That's right here.
Alright, I'll see you guys in the room.
Hey.
I'm going to do a super quick but beautiful room tour. We're going to start with our bathroom. Oh my god. Look how amazing. Wow. And then you're going to see me. But the bathroom is delicious. Guys, look at this tub. Wow. I love the woven details. Absolutely beautiful. And then our lovely bedroom. Like, wow. Again, this is very quick, but I was waiting a while. I'm not gonna lie to you. We were waiting a hot minute. And then, of course, the beautiful view. Right. Quick OOTD. This is from Walmart. Can you imagine? Walmart. Let me pull it down so y'all can see. Walmart. Flip-flops from Havaianas. Bag from J. Crew. Walmart. I'm super excited. I haven't been vlogging and I feel so good. Like, mom, everything. It feels so good to be vlogging again. It feels so good to be back in Jamaica. Coco. Tara, put an eye and eye. Oh wow. We're gonna go down on the beach. Can you believe I've been here 3 hours now? I'm gonna get no tan yet. That's crazy. So I'm gonna go get a tan. Guys, we're on Doctor's Cove Beach. Manalai. Sun is killing me. Well, the sun is not killing me. The sand is killing me. But I wanna go link one of my friend and somebody that I met a couple years ago at Best Weekend, and he works over by here. So I just wanna go see Odie. So yeah, we're gonna go do that. It's so beautiful. Guys, I have some jerk chicken and chips again. I want to eat some more food, but why it's hot? Why? I don't want it to spill. Give me a second, let me unwrap it. Unwrapped and ready to go. Allegedly the beach closes at 6 p.m. It's currently like 5:15. That's crazy. But liabilities, you know? Oops, sorry. I don't want my phone going out the water. Liabilities.
Okay.
So I'm still here on the beach. I'm trying to get a tan, but I know the tan not gonna hit like how it's supposed to be hitting. But you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna try to wake up early tomorrow, because our pickup isn't until 11:30. So I'm gonna try to get up and be ready by 8. I know the sun will shine by 8, so maybe I can get a tan. I feel like the sea is dragging me out. I don't want the sea drag me out, so. Tell me why the microphone wasn't plugged in all of today. That's how you know it's been a minute. Okay, I keep giving myself excuses. I need to snap back into it. But I'm gonna put on my half wig and meet my crew
I'm not proud to say it, I'm 9 minutes late for dinner. But I had to detangle my half wig because guess what? I'm not doing this tomorrow. I want it ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna fling it on tonight, but when we come back tomorrow, it's gonna dry. Well, it's gonna dry overnight and not be tangled, honey. Not be tangled. Let's make sure it's nothing in here. Yeah, she's so cute. I've been getting plenty of compliments. If you want, I can link it down in the description box, but somebody have to comment. Matter of fact, nobody have to comment. I'll just link it for you. It's from IC wig. The brown thing that you saw earlier before I put the wig on along my hairline is a wig grip band. Whew. Because I don't want to use I don't want to make a habit of using the clips. Ooh, if I have my headband, girl, but I don't. The headband, Jesus, the Jamaican in me. But sure I'm gonna have my headband. Again, I run late, but look at this. Give me a second. Lord Jesus, the girl love procrastinate. Okay, I don't have my headband, but oh no, one scrunchie. I don't have a headband. Ooh, however, I do have this polka dot scarf. I'm coming. I used to tie my hair down at nighttime. Ta-da! And oh my God, tell me that this is not just tea. Let me fold it up. Oh, today was a beautiful day. I cannot complain. It was actually very nice. Okay. Ooh, y'all seeing it? Hear me out. Okay, I'm gonna tie this first. Okay. One tie. We need two. Whoa, this is such a core workout. Okay, almost there. Where am I? Take this time to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Cause your girl is crazy. Ooh, I definitely tied the hair. Okay, I need to hurry up. I feel like I'm getting a lot of text messages. Boy, now this is it. Okay, I gotta go. Let's go to dinner. Nice. I don't taste my cream cheese, but the bread itself is nice.
Breakfast tomorrow?
I'm doing it all.
Yeah. I'll rest in Jackson. I was like, let me wake up early so I can get this breakfast.
Yeah, man.
Birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
Why y'all cut the Why they cut the music like that? Oh, this is good. Let's try it. Cheers! Or open wide. The food come out quick.
too. Like it didn't take very long.
Moving on, song of yesterday. Sweet, sweet is sweet. There's a girl living in my neighborhood. Some fool that tried to trick her with his money.
We're in the dinner buffet now and we're getting some food to go. I'm taking food with me to the next layover tomorrow night, so don't even think say so because we think the KFC closes at 9 o'clock. This is what I got. The fruits I'm gonna eat definitely tonight. This is my dessert. I'll drink this ginger shot thing the bartender made me. It's very nice. It's a bit sweet, no lie. It is nice though, refreshing. Sweet but refreshing. And this is some food I'm gonna pack away to bring to work tomorrow. You can't fault me. Cannot fault me. And then also this, I'm gonna put it in my dish to bring to work tomorrow. So there it is. I'm not gonna hold you. This is where we're gonna end off. Matter of fact, give me 1 second. Good morning. It is currently 8 a.m. Yeah, it's 8 a.m. I went to the gym. I ironed my uniform because I didn't do it last night. And I got some snacks for my lunch kids from the cafe, which I'm gonna go back and make a second trip to the cafe and get some more snacks. What's the next thing? What is the next thing? I'm gonna head down to breakfast now. Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10:30, and then I'm gonna go to the beach. More on the beach by 8:20, 8:30 the latest, because I want to leave the beach at what time? I want to leave the beach at 10:30, so that'll be 2 hours. So let's go get breakfast. For onesies, I'm not eating these right now. I just got them as a snack. Two plum.
That would look a cute area for like a picture.
Yeah.
Like right there, like sitting in that corner.
The background is nice. It's going in the back. Alrighty, so guys, let me tell you what I got. I got some assortment of fruits. Got watermelon, pineapple, cantaloupe? No, papaya, kiwi. And then I got some yam, some boiled dumpling, some saltfish rendang, baked beans. They put steamed vegetables, but it's callaloo. And I got, in Jamaica we say pear. It's not avocado, it's pear. And so that's, and then an omelet, everything omelet.
But it's avocado.
It's called pear. We're in Jamaica. And then also, it's been a long time since I had some Milo. So I got some Milo. I think Milo is from Thailand originally, or the Philippines.
What's that?
It's just like chocolate, hot chocolate. Yeah, hot chocolate. But I put condensed milk in it, so you know how that go already. You should try it, because Milo is very popular in the Caribbean.
I don't really care for like
Hot chocolate? Oh. Okay. God is good, God is great, God is good. Yeah, I did not take a picture to show you guys, but all that food, except for the pork, packed away in my lunch kit. And I ate the fruit.
Did you eat the pork?
I did. I ate it with some of the rice.
Yeah, might as well eat that now. You know how pork is that.
Yeah, because I'm not trying to be sent to secondary over some pork.
Yeah, they got you yesterday. They're trying to take you out.
Yeah. I did not know it was on a watch list. South Africa's on a watch list for health if you're entering Jamaica. I had no idea.
I really wish we were staying one more day. I forgot my phone.
Your what?
Down there.
The gym and the spa.
Oh, it's all down there.
And they have some offices and little conference rooms. I'm gonna get 2 towels. It is time to go. I'm going to end off the vlog here, however long or short it may be. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I know I did. I feel good to vlog again because I know on the other side of this camera, on the other side of the screen, to your screen, to your eyes, you'll be seeing this video. You'll be spending the time with me in Montego Bay, and I truly appreciate it. And for those of you that have stuck around with me, those of you that have liked, comment, those of you that just even watch it, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much, and I will catch you guys in the other one.